Going on, everybody? So since the Cleveland Browns went 0-16 last year, I thought that we should rebuild them after the disastrous season. So we're starting in the off season of 2018, and we're gonna try to make this thing good. So first business is I want to sign Allen Robinson. Check back to you in a while. So I'm just going to sign a bunch of players and then check back to you when I advance again. So I signed as many players as I want. So I signed all the players that I thought would be good, and then we're going to advance and see who we get. So it looks like we got Teddy Bridgewater. And we also got Sheldon Richardson, but we could not get Allen Robinson. That's pretty good. We got 2 out of the 3 players. And I'm just looking if there's any more good players to sign. I'm just going to sign... Wait, where'd it go? Oh, yeah. I'm just going to sign Alex Okafor, just because. See you back when that happens. So, we did get Alex Okafor, and he should fit in nicely. Going to take a quick look at our team right now. We still need a better quarterback. Probably going to trade Teddy B away. We need a lot better wide receivers. Oh, don't need a tight end. That's good. And then we need a center and a right tackle. Probably a better left end. Some better corners. A new free safety, and some better linebackers. So we're going to go see if free agency has any of those. It probably doesn't, and then we're also going to scout some players. So I went after 2 people. Dion Jordan did not accept, but the wide receiver Jaron Brown did accept. He'll fit in nicely with that wide receiver core. And I'm going to just continue scouting. So we do have the first overall pick. Gotta make it count, you know. Scout. So we do need a left end. This guy looks pretty good, but we also need a... Oh my god, we also need a wide receiver, and that guy looks pretty good. Well, let's just check. So we have some... This guy looks like the go-to wide receiver. No, we're not going to draft the offensive lineman in the first round. Left end, yeah, no. A minus, B plus. This guy might be the move. Yeah, I think I'm going to get this guy. 79 normal. Oh, that was not good. But we do have the 4th overall pick, so. He will at least still play, so. This corner looks pretty good. Another 79 overall pick. These picks are not horrible, but like you want something more in the top picks of the draft. 75 overall. Yeah, these guys are not really going to help, especially since they're all normal development. So, oh my god, I'm choking. This guy looks pretty good. 78 quick. That's actually really good. This guy has a bit, 73 overall. Oh my god, okay. Well, at least nobody's gonna watch this video, so. $79, slow. $72 overall at this stage of the draft is okay, but nothing that we can use. $69 overall. Yeah, this is not really good. $72 overall at this stage of the game, this stage of the draft, that's pretty good. Oh my god. 71 overall. They can at least be traded away for some trade value, I guess. $70 at this stage, nice. Okay. Let's look at our draft, see if there's any good players. $79, $79, $79. 379s, that's not bad. Well, let's sim and let's look at our team. $75 normal. Oh, nah, this guy's a 76 quick, so. This guy's pretty good. Our defensive line is pretty good, at least decent. We got some corners. We need one good corner though, like a one really stud corner. That will be good. Yeah. So we're going to go and improve our team. Let's see. Okay, we can trade away to Sean Kaiser now. And then, ooh. Huh? Okay. Dolphins. Who do you have? Jarvis. Please, Jarvis. Jarvis, not gonna happen. Don't really have anybody I want. Another one? Ooh, should we? Should we do it? Let's see. Do we have a left tackle? Did Joe retire? Joe did not retire. This could be good. We get a stud wide receiver and a left outside linebacker, which we do need. Let's see, they need a cornerback. Should I? No, I'm not going to do it. Okay, I'm going to just throw in maybe a second. Is this enough? Ooh! Okay, first should be enough. Oh my god. That's a lot for him. But, and now, I'm going to try to get you and you. Cornerback, you want him? How close? That's pretty good. Do you want anyone? Okay, they want him. Oh, what? What? Oh, God. I do not understand. Oh, don't do this to me. Do not do this to me. I wonder to wait. This guy has low, and this guy has. Well, let's see if they want. Okay, they want him, so we don't have to trade any of them away. Let's Strong safety. Do you want him? Actually, I might not want to trade him. If we don't have to, I don't want to trade him. We could trade him. Is a fourth enough? Is the question. Oh my god. No, Madden, please. Please, Madden. Madden. No, Madden. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. Yeah. I feel like we could get something back in return. Like a fifth and a sixth, maybe? No. Just a sixth? No. Is this going to go straight up? Oh my god. Kigley. God damn it. So what do we need now? No, nobody want him. Okay, we do need a center. We need a center. We have him. Trade. Actually, no. I'm actually going to move him to left end so we don't have to get anybody. And then we can trade Danny. Right outside linebacker. Yes, we need one. Bad. Ooh, will the Sean Kaiser be enough? F. Oh my god. Please. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, we need a center back. If we get a center, our offensive line would be good. Please. Oh my god. I don't want to trade him away. Right in. Yes, please. Ooh, mama. Ooh, mommy. Okay. I'm going to take a quick look at our team. So we still need one more corner. Linebacker core is good. A free safety. One more wide receiver. And then we're set. Quickly, I'm just going to convert where is he? Myles Garrett to a left end. What overall is he? Hopefully he's still like an 87. And he's an 87, okay. No, I don't want to go to free agents. There's actually some pretty good free agents out here. And we also need one more running back, a good running back. Okay. Okay, running back. Where are they? Okay, got myself a running back. Free safety. Oh yeah, free safety, a wide receiver, and a cornerback. Oh, I know who to get. No, wait, where'd he go? No, not him. Oh, did he retire? He retired. Fit! Can't be doing this to me. No, we won't get to ready. Amari, let's get Cooper. You want one of these guys? Ooh! Wait, actually, Amari's too hard, but like, you guys have anybody else? Michael. Let's get Michael. Got a wide receiver. Oh, I don't have any cap. Oh, this is bad. It costs a lot. Sir, I'm trading you. Oh my god, I could have gone for so much less, but we got their cap off our books. And then now let's look for somebody who has a tiny bit less cap of a cap hit. One, oh my god, this is a freaking blessing. Oh my god. You want him? No, you don't want him? Okay. How do they not want him? 28. 28 years old, 79 overall. They need him and they don't want him. Come on, Steelers. Okay, let's see. Running back. And the third from next year. And then also a sixth. Okay. I don't need anything else except for the one vacant spot, which is a free safety. Okay. I can't get anybody too expensive. 3 mil. Someone who has 3 mil. Oh, I know who to get. Where are they? Oh, should I? Yeah, sure. Now I have to trade someone who has more than 5'10". Tab. Let's see. Do you have 5'10"? You have more than 5'10". Doesn't really matter because I can trade stuff now. And the second in this will go through. What? Or not? Will this be accepted? No! Okay. So this is the final team. A pretty good quarterback with Teddy B. Then we got a great running back, David Johnson. A pretty good wide receiver core with Michael Crabtree, Devontae Adams, Corey Coleman, and Jaron Brown. Pretty good offensive line with Joe Thomas, Joe Bitonio, Rod Hudson, David DeCastro, and Duncan Nelson, and also David Njoku at the tight end position. Then we also got Myles Garrett, Sheldon Richardson, Larry Uganojobi, Alex Okafor, Aqib Talib, Pierce Genty, Jason McCourty, and Jamar Taylor, Clay Matthews, Luke Kuechly, Levante David, Eric Weddle, and Derek Kindred. So now it's time to sim to the playoffs, and leave your predictions down in the comments below. I think we'll go 12-4. That's my prediction. See you guys there. So, of course, we made the playoffs. And we, of course, got a first round bye because this team is lit. Teddy Bridgewater up to 81. 81 overall. David DeCastro up to 89 overall. Pretty good, pretty good. Myles Garrett up to 91. Our backup middle linebacker up to 82 overall. Some pretty good stats right here. And we went 12-3-1. So I was so close with my prediction. Let's see if that was the top record in the NFL. No! We tied with the Eagles. So Eagles went 12-3-1, same as us. Saints, good year. Bills, surprisingly good year. Jaguars, good year. Falcons, Seahawks, Packers, Patriots, Lions, and Titans made the playoffs. There's a lot of ties in the NFL. Surprisingly, the Steelers went 3-13. I don't even think we took anybody from them. Oh no, we took David DeCastro. So we won the AFC North. Jaguars won the AFC North, and Titans in the wild card. Bills won, and Patriots. The Chargers won their division. Packers won their division, and Lions in the wild card round. Saints and Falcons in the playoffs, and the Eagles in the playoffs, and the Seattle Seahawks. So let's go check out our stats. Teddy B only had... Why did both of them play? Teddy Bridgewater might have got injured. That's probably why. 13 picks, Teddy. Well, actually, that's pretty good, but 13, come on, Teddy. And 22 sacks with our offensive line, damn. David Johnson, 4.8 yards per carry. And Duke Johnson got 11 touchdowns. We got no 1,000-yard receivers.